What's the meaning of chignon? Chignon. Chignon.
Chignon. Chignon. A chignon is a hairstyle that involves twisting the hair into a knot or bun at the back of the head. The term comes from the French phrase chignon du cou, which means nape of the neck. The hairstyle has been popular for centuries and is often associated with elegance and sophistication. Chignons can be worn by individuals of any gender and are suitable for a variety of occasions, from formal events to casual outings. Overall, a chignon is a versatile and timeless hairstyle that adds an element of class to any look.